gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes. I light it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you will be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be making a crochet headband wig. Without further ado, let's get to it. All you need for this hairstyle is crochet hair, a crochet needle, and a stocking cap. I'll be using a mesh stocking cap. The hair I'll be using is the Goddess crochet braid. Each pack of hair has a total of 20 braids. I'll begin crocheting the braids from the top of the cap, and I'll be spacing the hair as wide as I can.
I light in perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became a best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me, but when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay, but it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. You took something from me, forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move.
Now I'll be crocheting the hair very close to each other.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say
I'll be putting the hair in a ponytail.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for
I am using one of the braid to tie the hair. Now you can go ahead and add your headband to the wig. You can sew it on or you can leave it as is. Hope you did enjoy this hair tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Remember, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.